Okay, so in this video we will use the enable password command in the global configuration mode, and we will use this command as well, which is show running configuration, and we will be using enable secret, and we will see the difference between the enable password and the enable secret. We know to access any network device there is three modes. The first one, the user mode, enable mode, and global configuration mode. So we will set up a password for enable mode, or we can call it privilege mode. So this is the second mode. I will set up a password in here so that if somebody wants to jump from the user mode all the way to the privilege mode, he will need to enter a password. And to accomplish this, we will use this command, which is the enable password. So first, we will use this time a router. It's the same as the switch, but I will connect with the router. So I will use my console cable. I will connect to the router. The console port in here. Then after that, I will jump into configuration desktop, then terminal. So now I'm connected to a router. I will go to the enable mode by typing enable. Then after that, I will go to the global configuration mode, which is the config terminal. Now I'm in the global configuration mode, as we can see in here. Okay, so in the global configuration mode, we can do the enable password or configure the enable password. So I will go enable, then after that password. Okay, so this is the command, enable password. Okay, once you type the enable password, then you will need to enter a password. I will go 123, then I will go enter. Now I secured my enable mode with a password. So if I go one step back, then again one step back, exit. So currently I'm in the user mode. To jump to the enable mode or to the privilege mode, I will go enable. Once I click on enter, it will require the password, and we just did that. So I will go 123, enter. Now I'm in the enable mode. So this is kind of securing this mode, the second one. Okay, now we will run the show running command at enable mode. So we will see one thing in here. We jump to the terminal, then I will go show running configuration, then I will enter, then I will see my current configuration, which is the version of the operating system that we are using on the iOS on the router, and also we can see the host name. The host name is a router, and also we can see the enable password, which is 123. Okay, so now this password will be shown in the configuration file. So this is the weakness of this command. So if we want to use this command, the enable password, once we run the show running configuration, we can see our password. Now we will configure enable secret on the switch. So I will go again to my switch. This is, I'm connecting through a console cable in here. So the task will be to set up an enable secret password that will put a password in the privilege mode. Okay, so first I will go to the command, then this is my okay. Now I'm on the switch. I will go enable. So enable, then after that config. This is the caps lock, it is clicked, so I will go configure terminal. So now I'm in the global configuration mode. I will use the enable secret again, enable secret. This time I will use 123 again, but we will see the difference. Okay, so if we are in the enable mode, okay, then we go exit again, Now I'm in the user mode. So once I jump to the enable mode, it should ask me for a password. Once I click on enter, clearly I can see there is a password. The password is required. Now I will go 1 2 3 enter. So now I'm in the enable mode. If I go show running configuration, I can see in here the version of the iOS. I can see the host name, which is a switch, and the enable password. We can see this password is encrypted, so nobody can see the password even if he has access on the switch. So this password will be encrypted. So this is more secure way, which is the enable secret, more secure way to set up a password for a privilege mode rather than using the enable password. Thank you.